Alright guys, so I'm going to do an unboxing of these Lebron 20s. So first of all, let's get into this box. This is very creative and, in my opinion, a very cool box. It's gray, and I'm going to show you the bottom side of it. It has this design logo on it, and I love the color scheme. My favorite color is gray, and I also love pink. This color combination together just looks really awesome. I'm going to zoom in, actually it's upside down. Zoom into this. Right, then here's the signature on the one side. And so it's upside down. This is the side where you open the box. I'm just going to zoom in on all the details. I have some big feet, but I am also a very, very tall person. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pull up the tab and open. Oh, it's rustling. Alright, it's a little bit stuck. It's okay. So this doesn't make for a good unboxing because I can't nicely take out the paper. Alright, so you guys ready for the shoe? Oh wait, there's a card on the inside. So this is the back of it, and on the other side it just has all of the design details of the shoe. So that is pretty cool. Let me pull out the shoe. Alright, here it is, guys. I love this. I love this. This is actually my first pair of Lebrons. I actually had a pair of Soldiers a long time ago, but they ended up not fitting well, so I had to sell them. But I do like the Soldiers as well. But look at these. I love this color combination. Look at the bottom. Oh yeah, when I wear these, I'm going to get some great attention on these. These are amazing. So some of the details that I really like the color combination. I really like a seafoam green color, and the different pinks just really pop. Like this shoe is just like a statement piece. And on the back it has the Lebron logo, and on the side the check marks. They have one that's kind of like 3D and it goes out. I usually don't like this type of thing on a shoe, but in this case it's fine. I just wonder how this is going to hold up over time. Color wise, like, is it going to turn yellow, and is it going to get bent and messed up over time? The shoe, the material feels great. It's nice and woven, and this check mark over here actually feels like it might be leather or something. I'm gonna have to look at what the materials are. Some other details I noticed are the 20 symbol. These are the Lebron 20s. Not sure if I said that already. And I like this cross stitch right here. Just a nice little addition. Let's look at the tongue. Let's see what the tongue's looking like. Okay. So the tongue also has 2 X's on it, which is 20 in Roman numerals, if you guys didn't know. The shoelaces are seafoam green and pink. And it comes with another pair of pink laces. All right, let's see the sole of the shoe. All right, there's another 20 in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then the sole is orange, and what color is that? It's either a navy blue or a black, and it goes all the way down. So I can open up. Okay, not really. Shoe doesn't really open up all the way because I have it laced up, but you get the point. That's what it looks like on the inside. And I already showed you the bottom, but I'm gonna show you again to get a closer look. So this is the bottom of the shoe. It is a bright hot pink. And there's a little bit of detailing on the bottom there. It's another signature. And I guess this is the Lebron symbol. Upside down, it's him dunking. So the official colors, I said seafoam green, but according to the box, the colors are barely green, multi-color shoes. And I got them in a men's size 9. I wear a size 10 in women's normally, but for some reason Nike kind of fits me a bit smaller, so I have to get that half size up. So it's a 10.5 in women's sizing. And they are made in Vietnam. So I don't see any material information. I'm gonna have to post it in the description box for you guys, because I'm sure I purchased these off of the sneakers app, so I'm sure on the sneakers app it will tell me what materials these shoes are. I'm sorry that I wasn't prepared for this video, but I will put it in the description box. And on the front of the box, let me go ahead and read it for you guys. It says, "Strive for greatness." It shows the teams that LeBron has played for and what years he has played for them. So Cleveland from 03 to 2010, and then he went to Miami from 2010 to 2014. He went back to Cleveland from 14 to 18, and he has been on the Lakers since 2018. Alright, so that's awesome. I love this shoe. I can't wait to wear it and test it out. That's the end of this unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me.